Hi, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. It's drawbend week, so this week I'm actually giving you 3 lessons. I'm going to give you an exercise today, really cool and really useful exercise to practice your drawbends. I'll be releasing another tomorrow and a third one on Thursday. So let's get started with today's exercise. You're going to love. Before we look at the tab on the screen, a big thank you to everyone who voted for the Rumble Strutters in Doc's Blues Music Awards on 7FM. We were announced today as Band of the Year in those awards, so thank you so much to everyone who voted for us. If you haven't heard us before, follow the link on screen. All your support and comments are much appreciated. So let's get on with this bending exercise. This is concentrating on your bends on holes 1 and 2 and a little bit on 3 as well. So it's a really nice exercise for those notes. We're trying to be as precise as possible. This isn't necessarily to be used in a musical context in a song, although it could work as a nice little line, but it's also just really good practice. I'm playing on a C harmonica, and we'll just play it nice and slow first and talk about the notes and then talk about speeding it up as well. So here's what you see on the screen played nice and slow. So we're moving around holes 1, 2 and 3, and we're actually starting on 1 draw bend, and then 1 draw, and then 2 draw second bend, and then back to 1 draw. And we can think of it as sets of 4 notes like that. It's kind of a 16th note rhythm. So they're the first 4 sets of notes, and I've actually written the tab out in sets of 4 as well. Da, 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 da. And ideally, when you're practicing this, you want a reference point, some sort of reference point. And by that, I mean either a tuner or another harmonica where you can check the notes, like a chromatic harmonica or something like that. Or a program. Now you can get apps and computer programs like the Bendometer where you can see what note you're getting. But preferably for me, I would say a tuner or another instrument where you can actually just hear the notes. So that's our first set of 4 notes. And then the second set is... So we have second draw bend on 2, sorry. And then 2 draw, and then 2 draw full bend again, and then 1 draw. I kind of see it like that, spatially, I suppose. So if we join those together... And then the third set is almost the same as the first 4, but the last note is a 2 draw. So... do, do, da. And then the final 4 sets of notes. We've got 3 draw semitone bend, then 2 draw full bend, and then 1 draw. So that's the only 3 draw bend in there, is on that last set of 4 notes. If we put all those together, we get... Okay, and we can start to speed that up. But I have to say, although it sounds cool fast, and you know, if you can play it that fast, if you can play it faster, great, and practice it with a metronome by all means. But I have to say, it's not about the speed with this. It sounds really cool, but it's about the precision. Even experienced players, you know, I've been playing too long. I've been playing a long time. I still play bends out of tune sometimes. I really try and get them as in tune as possible. If you can practice getting your bends in tune, it'll make you really stand out as a player. So this is about precision. And if you do want to speed it up, then it has to be about timing and getting the notes equally spaced. So you want to do it with a metronome rather than just clicking along and trying to go as fast as you can. You know, that's not going to cut it, really. That said, it's a really, really cool exercise. It's difficult to play over and over because every note is a draw note, as you can see in the tab. But if you're struggling to play it more than once, then it's either something to do with your bending technique or your breathing levels. You may be pulling too hard. So check out my video on keeping your breath whilst playing harmonica as well, because that might help with that. So that's exercise 1 in my draw bend week. I'll be back again with another lesson tomorrow. Before you go, please click like, share with your friends, and subscribe for free harmonica lessons every single week. I've got 2 more coming this week, so make sure you catch my lesson tomorrow for another great draw bend exercise. See you then.